Okay, so we're finally having some of the cake. I'm gonna do a little taste test moment.
You don't like it?
I don't think I've ever had it.
Oh, that's just chocolate cake with coconut.
Oh.
I bet you'll like it. You like coconut, don't you?
Hmm?
Not me.
It's good.
The only time I've ever like had something that had coconut in it that I liked, one of my friends made a big snowball cake, and she used like fresh coconut, and that was really good.
And you actually ate it?
Oh,
Yeah, I actually liked it.
It's a big one.
Destiny, you want to do a taste test?
I love how
Taste
coconut
this stuff now.
smells.
I've had it before.
You've had it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
It's good.
Oh my god, have you guys ever had strawberry poke cake?
No, what is that?
Oh my, yes baby, you have had it.
I've had strawberry poke cake.
Yeah, my mom would make it all the time.
Oh, with the holes?
Yeah, she would take strawberry jello mix, but not let it become jello.
Oh, yeah.
After the yellow cake was done, she would poke holes in it and pour the jello liquid in there, and it like soaks into the cake. And then you like make the top with like Cool Whip. Oh, I hate wasting that, but I don't want to lick it. Get a drink of milk. And then let's see if I can pull this piece of cake out without breaking it all to pieces. Let me turn it around. Okay, come on. Oh, fingerprint. Dang, cookies were in the way. Of course they were. Alright. Yeah, looky. Rainbow. That's like a little sponge cake, I think. So that's an almond cake with dark chocolate, and I believe that's I think I read it's supposed to be an apricot filling, which that's pretty cool. I want another one. Oh yeah, it's fruity. All right. First little baby bite. Oh man. Oh, that is good. Use my little bamboo fork. Their cream cheese icing is really good. Oh. Oh man.
My cookie.
Hold on. You want grits? Okay.
She want grits.
This pork chop is tough. Jeez Louise. Okay, you know what? I need a knife. Must not be meant for me to eat that part. Alright, y'all. It's on my plate. Yes. So, how was y'all week? I know mine was okay. It was okay. It wasn't hectic. It was okay. Wasn't too bad. Work wasn't too bad. It's messy at work. I'm insane.
What happened at work?
Ready to not speak.
Was that hectic?
Work is work. I don't care as long as I'm making my $2.
What my drink went?
Yeah, I left it on the bar over there. Ooh.
I just love my drink though.
Look at her giving me more bacon after I just said I was on diet. My auntie. She always been the bad area. She fed me burgers and Cheetos when I was younger.
True.
I love grits and bacon.
Then she addicted it.
Mm-hmm. Mama, give me some
The
syrup.
good old serve, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, let me just say, y'all know a lot of shows came back on again. Oh my goodness, I was so happy that Siren came back on.
Yes. Really good.
It was good.
But the mermaid's kind of scary though.
They are scary. Like,
Yeah.
I been gonna run from them. Like, no, y'all doing too much.
That's
The
why-
way they look at you. Ain't nobody got time for that.
I ain't been to the bitches that show came on.
Yeah.
When them hoes pop up, I'm leaving.
Right. Good, mommy?
I need some more grits. I want grits. No, pack me a grit.
Yes.
I'm not a big coffee drinker, especially not Tim Hortons, but they do have a good coffee. 2 milk, 2 sugar would be... Sorry, did I say I got cream in it? It's actually milk. 2 cream, 2 milk would be a double-double, is what they call it. So, urban garlic, cream cheese, bacon, and tomato. Let's try this. Toasted. That's really good. The tomato gives it a bit of vegetables, at least. Because I don't think Tim Hortons has salads. So it's going to be a bit challenging. Eating fruits and vegetables today. They probably only have like lettuce and tomato on their sandwiches. I love urban garlic cream cheese. I used to be obsessed with that. And have it like every morning. So what is your favorite items from Tim Hortons? I usually, they're known for their donuts. You know, I used to get like an assorted donuts or their Timbits. That's why we named Timbit. Just little donut holes, basically. Dogs or cats? It's kind of a hard question for me because I'm a lover of all animals. And as I said, my very first pet was a dog. And someday I would love to get another dog.
I have 2 cats right now, and I think I put too much seasoning on it. Yeah, definitely put too much seasoning on this. I would like to eventually get, I wish you guys could see what I see. Hold on, let me just show you what I'm looking at right now. This is currently my mukbang audience. Are you guys watching me mukbang? My beauties? And I know they shouldn't be on the counter, but that's just how we roll. All right, back to the questions. I was saying, as I was showing you my cats, I would love to have a dog someday. I had dogs growing up, but currently the apartment building that I live in, I can only have 2 cats or a cat and a dog, so I have 2 cats. So I always have an extra soft spot for cats as well. My next one is my funniest moment through high school. I honestly did not like school. I was extremely shy, and of course, being a big person, I wasn't made fun of a whole lot. Thankfully, teasing and bullying was